the recipe. This is a love attack. I know when our body's back, it's just like any fat. It retracts before impact. And just like fashion, it's a passion for the withered and hip. If you got the goods, they'll come and buy it just to stay in the clique. So don't delay, act now, supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive, 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow the may be out tomorrow, but if we are to shine, you might as well be walking on the sun. 25 years ago, they spoke out and they broke out of recession and oppression, and together they talked and they folk out with guitars around a bonfire, just singing and clapping. Man, what the hell happened? That some was spellbound, some were hellbound, some they fell down, and some got back up and fought back against the meltdown. And their kids were hippie chicks, all hypocrites, because fashion is smashing the true meaning of it. So don't delay, act now, supplies are running out. Allow if you're still alive, 6 to 8 years to arrive. And if you follow them, maybe out tomorrow, but if we are to shine, you might as well be walking on the sun. Handkerchief is soaked with the tears because the baby's life has been revoked. The bond is broke, got so choked up and focus on the close up. Mr. Wilson can't reform. No God like Hocus Pocus, so don't sit back, kick back and watch the world get bushwhacked. News that's in your neighborhood is under attack. Put away the crack before the crack put you away.